How to fix Instagram profile display hide options not showing. So if you want to fix Instagram profile display hide option not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram. And here you may have updates. So you just need simply search for the update and you need to tap on update button. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But as you can see that we don't have any updates right here, which means we have the latest version of our Instagram application. Once you have the latest version or once it's updated, you need to tap on open and open your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now you need to go with the profile which is on the bottom right, and from the profile, you can go with the upper right which has that three horizontal lines. Now here you need to scroll down, go with creator tools and controls. Under creator tools and controls, you need to make sure that you have the creator option, which means you have your professional display or your professional mode. And once your professional mode is turned on, you need to just go back and then go with edit profile. Under edit profile, you need to scroll down and under your profile information, you will have your profile display. You need to go with your profile display, and here as you can see that all of your display category label is hidden, it is turned off. So that's how you can turn off or hide your profile display on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.